Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is a rest day for me and I feel so bad that I've been a little MIA, so wanted to make you an update video. I'm out with the girls, going for a nice walk. It's 50 degrees here and beautiful outside. Okay, so update. The gym has been going amazing. The meal plan is phenomenal. Things are really good. I'm getting stronger each workout, so I'm excited about that. Making progress and enjoying the food immensely. Strategically, again, using carbohydrates pre and post workout, and then fizzing out with the carbs throughout the rest of the day. It's been going fantastic. I'm up to almost 1,800 calories a day and burning roughly 2,300 calories a day. According to my Fitbit app, I set it while I'm training so I can have an idea, and then I set it for BMR, and that is the total I get every day. My coach did make some tweaks. Let me see, can you guys see me okay, the lighting? Some of the tweaks are that we knocked my oatmeal down to half a serving. I was getting half a cup post-workout, so now I'm only having quarter cup post-workout. I am, instead of having 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, I'm having 1 tablespoon of almond butter, which I actually prefer, so I'm fine with that. Protein shake post-workout, still the same. And in the morning, cream of rice is still the same, but I had to change out, instead of blueberries, I now have strawberries. And that's pretty much the tweak as far as the food goes. So calories were cut a little bit in the way of the oatmeal being cut in half, strawberries versus blueberries, but that's pretty much it. We're really still in a surplus, still building the muscle, and I'm really starting to see that almost my calories at almost 1,800 is kind of like a maintenance when I'm training this way, because I'm not losing really and I'm not gaining, so that's good. My body composition is changing dramatically. Definitely seeing the muscle coming in, which is super exciting. I can't even believe, I mean, the gains are small, but they're so noticeable, and I have to thank Optavia for that, because the 45 pounds that I lost allows you to see more muscle now. So some of the questions I'm getting is regarding my meal plan now. And one of them that I get pretty often is, how can you come off such a low calorie intake with Optavia, jack your calories up to 1,800 and still maintain and increasing my carbohydrates? So transitioning off Optavia, you are allowed to increase carbohydrates and have fruits and things like that, because you're not going to be in a diet mode forever. It's not healthy. It's basically just used as a tool. So you have to understand, I'm in the gym almost 3 hours every day except for the weekends, although I was in the gym yesterday because Friday I used as a rest day. I switched my day. The amount of training that I'm doing, obviously burning off that many calories, allows me to eat this way, and eating this way is part of building muscle. I have to build the muscle, then cut again, ready to step on that stage. So if I were to just continue cutting right now, hold on guys, I gotta fix this leash, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. So if I were just to continue cutting straight from Optavia to try to get ready for this competition, I wouldn't be building muscle. Pretty much toward the end of Optavia, because I wasn't in the gym, I was thin, guys. I would like to call it, and I'm using this term very loosely, I was skinny fat. I lost a lot of weight, definitely some muscle mass. I was very thin, but I wasn't hard. I was soft. Now I'm getting hard again. I am seeing muscle through the skin, and when I cut again, it's gonna be ridiculous. I'm so excited. So there is a science to all of this, and that's why I hired a coach. She is phenomenal, and she's guiding me. So Today's Sunday. Tuesday I have my 4-week check-in. I have to take pictures, measurements, my weight, whoops, and things may be tweaked again. We don't know. So that's pretty much my update. Today, here's what I'm wearing. My Adidas sweatshirt, I got jeans on, walking the dogs, but feeling really good. Still in a size 4 or a 2, depending. But definitely the quads are filling out, which I love, and shoulders, biceps. There's just an all-around aesthetic going on, having the muscle growth. So anyway, I'll keep you updated. I hope you can hear me. It's very windy right now. All of a sudden the wind just came. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know below. And I'll update you again soon. Have a great day. Do something active. Makes such a difference. You feel so good. Bye guys, love you. Stay focused.